Bless the USA.
Yes, indeed.
I think on the dollar or on the money says God bless America, right?
In God we trust.
Yeah.
God bless.
To remind the people, God bless America. He's great, isn't he?
Yes, he is.
Yankee Doodle. He was spectacular, the Yankee Doodle.
He was.
When he played that part.
Nothing's done.
He was fantastic.
Who was that?
The one that played Yankee Doodle, I can't remember his name.
James Cagney.
Very
James Cagney.
actor.
James Cagney?
Yeah, James Cagney.